This product went from $0 to bestseller, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it happened. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So we launched this product on Amazon and got them the bestseller status within 10 days. How did we do it? Of course, we created a strategy and implemented that strategy. Now, you should have your own product launch strategy and have it tailored to you, and that's exactly what we did. And I'll show you what our strategy we created for them. Now, first things first is going to be SEO. So we created their listing from scratch, and then we implemented an SEO strategy to make sure they're gonna be ranking right from the get. So this isn't when we started pushing sales, this is just getting everything started. So a great tool to do this is going to be Helium 10. There's a link in the description if you want a discount, check it out. They also have a free trial. But what you can do is go to tools in Helium 10. They have a reverse product lookup, and you can literally just type in a competitor on Amazon and look at all of the keywords they're ranking for, right? So this is a crochet kit, right? Did you know that people misspell crochet kit? That's their number one keyword. They're misspelling crochet and they're showing up for that keyword, right? This is and how much volume search it's getting, the score, all this good stuff you can see, and you can download it into an Excel spreadsheet. Kids crochet kits, Halloween crochet kits, beginner kits, crochet bee kit, a lot of weird names actually, but you can look into that and actually check out what your keywords your competitors was launching for, and then utilize those keywords and recreate them and add them into your title, your bullet points, your description, your back-end keywords, A+ content, brand story, all of that good stuff. Usually this can take up to 15 days because you want to really do an analysis on your competitors. If your competitor has 6,000 keywords you got to go through, it's going to take some time if you want to do it right. Number two, and again, this is something I see everybody not doing, and this is how you do get ahead. It's going to be reducing your price. So what we did is we reviewed all of the competitors, every single one on Amazon that has to do with a crochet kit. And we found out the price is between $17.99 and $24.99. So if they launch with a price below that, then they're gonna dominate. Their regular price is $29.95. Right now on Amazon, it's $29.96, but they wanted to launch at this price. And what I said is, if we launch at a lower price, you're gonna get the bestsellers rank, you're gonna be pushed to page number 1, and you're just gonna dominate. Then you can slowly increase your price up to the price you want it to be, which is $29.95, and help you hold that place. If you launch with a high price, it's going to be really hard and difficult to generate sales at first. Amazon's not going to prioritize you. So we launched at a lower price compared to all of the competition, all of them. Even if it comes at a bit of a loss at first, it's still a win in the long run. It depends. Are you thinking long run or short run in this? And we're thinking long run, right? Number 3 is obviously Imagery. So they were giving us their images, and we were looking through them. And we didn't see any images of like people that shows the completed kit. They looked like too professional. And I was like, we need something that shows a lifestyle image, people actually completing the kit. So they added this in where it shows them actually making the Pierre the Penguin right here. And this helped with like a little bit of a lifestyle image to show that you can do it yourself. And then they also had, helped create them a competitor image of them versus the other kits. We looked at the negative reviews of the other kits to help the customers when they do click on the listing, when they're gonna be like, oh, even though it's cheap, this is better than the competitors. And then also showcasing that so many people have done it before to help with recognition. Not only that, I said, let's add that into the description. So the A+ content, they've got a video, and that helps. Everybody loves videos to showcase the product. It can be something so simple. 1, 2, 3, easy as 1, 2, 3. And then again, their target audience, creating it with testimonials in there. And those lifestyle images helps. Remember, in the beginning, they didn't have any lifestyle images like showcasing people actually completing, to have their product completed. This helped get them ahead. Now they did have an email list. Most of their sales were coming from their website and they had dedicated customers. So this is what was their time to prep that email list and say, hey, we're launching on Amazon. We're launching at a huge discounted price. Get on Amazon, purchase our product, and then we're gonna have a follow-up email sequence to ask them to leave feedback. And of course they're gonna leave like a 5-star review, right? Because it's from their email list that's already on their website from customers who already purchased from them. Amazon PPC setup. So of course we want to set up their Amazon PPC. We did a research, profit, and rank campaign. This is when we did the sponsored products and the sponsored brands. This is when you can do the video campaigns as well. So if you type in the Woobles, you'll see sponsored brands pop up at the top. You'll see sponsored products, right? We kind of hit it from all angles. Not sponsored display. We're going to do that over time because sponsored display is a little bit, it's a little bit more difficult and not ROI friendly. Next, they already had some outsider influencers and outside advertising they can use. And I said, push that back to the website, or even better, push that back to Amazon. So they can redirect all that Google Ads traffic that they were running or Facebook ads traffic back to Amazon. Big sale on Amazon, check it out, we're officially launching. Then they pushed it back to Amazon, and that helped skyrocket sales as well. And then having their influencers, the time they launched, TikTok wasn't a big thing, but Instagram was. So giving their product away to influencers to promote their product back to Amazon is a good way to do it as well. Even if it's back to their website, people that go back to the website, usually they go back to Amazon and check it out first and purchase it on Amazon before they purchase it on the website. That's just how people shop because they trust Amazon. So even if you push traffic to their website, it still helps with Amazon traffic. And then the biggest thing after this is going to be maintaining inventory. So we did this and we hit it. We had everything prepared. We didn't do this and then we tried to generate sales. We didn't do section 2 and then try to generate sales. We implemented them all and then we started pushing sales all at the same time, right? So that made a huge launch success and helped them get the bestseller status, and it really helped them generate as many sales as possible. The next thing is just maintaining inventory, because once you run out of inventory, you run out of momentum. Once you get back on, it's a lot more difficult, and they've been doing a great job with maintaining inventory. But that's it for today's video. Want your product to become a bestseller too? Drop a comment and let me know your biggest challenge. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.